His last words were,
"I can't breathe. Get me out."
He died 12 seconds later. And right now, I'm standing on the same spot. This isn't a sewer, it's a tomb with a paycheck, and I'm going in. They call it the devil's toilet, not because it's dirty, because it eats people. In the last 5 years, 217 workers vanished into holes like this. Not injured, dead. Most never saw it coming. One breath of hydrogen sulfide at 500 parts per million. You collapse like a puppet with cut strings. 1000 ppm. Your heart stops before you hit the ground. And here's the nightmare. Your nose stops working at just 100 ppm. So by the time you smell rotten eggs, you're already on death's doorstep. This gas detector just hit 300. If I go in without a mask, I'm a corpse in 45 seconds. I trained for 3 weeks just to film this. One mistake. My last video ever. It's 98 degrees down here, and it smells like death cooked in sulfur. Seriously, I've smelled roadkill that's fresher. Rats. Dozens of them. And that's the least scary thing down here. What the? Flash flood. Storm drain activated. Water's rising fast. If I don't climb now, I drown in human waste. That was 8 seconds from death. And this happens every damn shift for these guys. Jax has been doing this for 15 years. I asked him, why? He said, "'Cause someone's gotta keep your avocado toast from floating down your street." Then he got serious. I've pulled out 3 bodies from these holes. All looked like they were just sleeping. Gas got them before they knew. I asked if it ever freaks him out. He said, every single time. But if I don't go down, who will? These aren't thrill seekers. They're blue-collar guardians. Paid $35 an hour to risk what billionaires wouldn't for millions. No applause. No headlines. Just silence, and sludge. Be honest, could you do this? Imagine, pitch black, toxic air, rats crawling on your boots, water rising, and no escape. We tested 50 volunteers in a safe simulation. 48 tapped out in under 60 seconds. 2 passed out from panic. Yet real crews work 8-hour shifts in this nightmare. In winter, hypothermia risk. In summer, heatstroke in a gas chamber. And the worst part? You can't call 911 from hell. Rescue takes 20 minutes, but death takes 10 seconds. Next time you flush, remember the man who risks his life so you never see what's underneath. This job isn't just dangerous, it's invisible. And that's why we're shining a light. If your heart's still racing, smash like. It tells YouTube, show this to more people. Comment RIP for the 217 who never came home, or I salute you for the heroes still going down. And if you respect real danger, subscribe. Stay sharp. Stay grateful. And never, ever, take clean streets for granted. They descend so we don't have to.